Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, we're gonna install Docker Registry with a web user interface. We continue with the code from the previous video. In this new video, we continue with the Docker Registry. You found the link to the playlist in the upper right corner. Today, we use Docker Registry UI. It's a web interface for Docker Registry. Here, all the possibilities. We go down. And we have here the recommended Docker Registry usage. This one we're going to use. We have the registry UI, this one, and the registry server, this one. In this video, for the moment, we don't use cores because the server and the UI running on the same computer, same server, so we don't need cores. We open our terminal and do SSH to our Fedora server. SSH, username, and the IP address. Password. And we are in. We do ls. And we see here classes, NGRX, container, agent, registry, SAB, NZBD, and Yard. All Docker images we created in previous videos. We do cd registry, we do ls, and we see from the last video the Docker Compose file and the registry directory. We open Docker Compose. And we see it here. This is the code from the previous video. Down a little bit and make some space. I have created some code and I paste it in. Copy it and paste. Go up. This one we need 4 spaces. That's the same from there. So what we have here, I forgot Docker Registry, the service. Spaces and 4 spaces. Service, Docker Registry web interface. You can choose that whatever you want. The image, usage, Docker Registry UI main. You can look here. See here, you have different possibilities. The latest, main Debian 2.x, 2.xi, latest Debian. You see here all the possibilities. Nginx Alpine is the smallest one because Debian image is more big. Go back, the container name, again, you can choose whatever you want. Restart unless stopped. I see here to use always, but you can select what you want. Restart always or restart unless stopped. Ports, because port 80 on the server is already in use, I use 8888. Again, the first part is the server, the computer, the real stuff. 80 is inside the Docker container. You cannot change this. Networks, again, the same network from the server. And environments. Single registry, registry title, delete images, show content, Nginx proxy pass URL, show catalog, catalog minimum branches, maximum branches, tag list, and registry secured. All we take from here. Now we go out, see here exit, X, save buffer, of course, yes, enter. Now we're gonna run the Docker compose file with logs. So Docker compose up, not detach mode, because we want to see the logs. It's for testing now. Enter. It's downloading everything. See, pull, and it's running. All logs. Now we can go to our browser. First, we look to the v2 catalog. You remember that from before. See it here. We have two repositories, my Nginx and testing. If we go now to the site from the UI, the IP address, port 8888. And voila, we have it here. My Nginx and testing. We can open it. See, two tags, 2.5 and 1.0. Can go back. Testing has only one branch, 32.5. You can see, you can delete it. We have history. You can open that. See, a lot of information. You can also dark mode if you want. Light, dark. Back again. Also, we can sort it. You see here 2.5, 1.0. We click here, we change that. See it? Also, we can copy the biggest. Sorry again. Here. You see, it's a lot easier than this one. In the next video, we're gonna secure our registry and our UI. So, this was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up, and see you later. So, in the next video, we're gonna continue with Docker Registry and secure interface. Thank you very much.